True or false? 88 is divisible by 11. This is one that you really need to know from your times tables. You should know that 11 times 8 is 88, and therefore 88 divided by 11 would be 8. So this is true. Which of the numbers below is 3 a factor of? We should recognize these from our 3 times table. We know that 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So 9 is certainly a number which has 3 as a factor. However, 13 is not in the 3 times table. 3 times 6 is equal to 18. So 18 is a number which has 3 as a factor. 9 times 3, or 3 times 9, gives us 27. So 27 is a number which has 3 as a factor. But 31 is not in the 3 times table. So 9, 18, and 27. Write down all of the factors of 28. Well, we can certainly make 28 by doing 28 times 1. 1 is always a factor of any number, and so is the number itself. How else could we make it? Well, we could do 14 times 2. So 2 is a factor, and so is 14. We can also make it by 7 times 4. So 4 is a factor, and so is 7. And for 28, we can't find any more factors. So this is a list of all of the factors of 28. What is the highest common factor of 36 and 24? So for 36, let's list out the factors. We can do that as 1 times 36. 2 times 18 also gives us 36. So does 3 times 12. And 4 times 9. And also 6 times 6. So that's all of the factors of 36. Now let's look at 24. That's 1 times 24, or 2 times 12, or 3 times 8, or 4 times 6. So that's all of the factors of 24. What's the highest one that's in both lists? 12 and 12, here and here, are the highest numbers that are in both lists, or the highest number that's in both lists. And therefore, the highest common factor, so it's a common factor, it's in both lists, and it's the highest number in both lists. The highest common factor is 12. What is the highest common factor of 41 and 42? We start looking for factors of 41. The only ones we'll find are 1 and 41, because 41 is a special type of number called a prime number. Now for 42, we could have 1 times 42, or 2 times 21, 3 times 14, 4 doesn't go into it, 5 doesn't go in, 6 times 7 is also a possibility. The highest number in both lists is 1. The highest common factor of these two numbers is 1. So any numbers, even if they have no other common factors, will always have a common factor of 1. And two numbers whose highest common factor is 1 are called co-prime.